Hello, this video is a presentation for our Comp3074 project. The group is made by me, Breno, Carlos, and Jespro. Our application name is called Movicare. So I'm gonna start by saying what we promised here in the project proposal document. We said that we're going to do like a full-featured app that supports seniors that have the I'm okay button over here, then emergency button, GPS location sharing. Also, we said that we're gonna do the caregiver dashboard with real-time alerts, missed routine of notifications. Also, a part for volunteer engagement features like skill-based matching and help requests. But after some corrections from the professor, some advice, and also seeing that our ideas were too complex for the project because of our knowledge and our time that we had as a group, we decided to together to move forward with without caregivers part or family member features, focusing on the main user that is the senior. So for the prototype, after the professor approval, we've implemented functionality on three screens: the sign up screen, login screen, and also the family member screen that has a screen for family member. And also for this phase, we also polish all the screens. And then for the final implementation submission, we implemented functionality on all of the rest of the screens. So all the application is working 100% functional. Here on the GitHub repository, I also want to show that we have all of us added as contributors. And also we have some commits here, so 41 commits from everyone, making each one of us making our own features. And here you can see the branches that we've created on the way as well. So talking about what I did, I polish all the screens to meet the mockups criteria. So here you can see all of the screens. So the main implementations that I did, beside polishing all the screens, I did the medications and appointment screens. So for the medications, you can add medication. So you can put the name, the dosage. You can choose a start date over here and end date over here, and also the time. Then after you click on save, medication is going to show up here with the dosage and the date and time as well. You can remove them by clicking on this button. The same happens for the appointments. So you can add appointment. So for example, here I can choose the appointment type, the day, and also you can choose the time. Then after clicking on save, the appointment is gonna show up here already scheduled. And then you can remove the appointment as well. Medications and appointments are being saved on the local database. So if I stop the application and run it again, the same appointments and medications saved like already created will be there. So showing my contributions on the code, you can see as well here all the branches I've created and all the implementations on GitHub repository. And here I polished all the screens, so I put parts by myself on all of them, but especially on the add medications screen and add appointments screen. Also here medication screen and appointments screen. I did a lot of things here. I put a lot of variables, then made some functions to about time and about date. Then I put button to make the submission and save it to the database. And that was basically it. You can see that the same happens for add appointments screen. So I have everything done here.
Well, hello everyone, my name is Carlos Ferreira and I'm going to demonstrate the screens that I had implemented. This senior health screen. So if you log in as a senior, your health screen, so my health, and you can edit all your, like in the screen, you're having the medical conditions, allergies, height and weight, and of course you can edit the fields. You can add the for example, and you can save it, and there you go. Now you are going to have all the medical conditions there. Screen that I had implemented. For example, if we register as a family member, password, sign up. So if we log in as a family 3, you can see that we don't have any pending invitation and we don't have any senior linked. So we have the notifications here or the emails here, the messages, invitations. So now we don't have anything here. So now let's see if I invite as a senior 3. I'm going to add a family member. So it's family son, and the phone is 647 123 45 67. Add invite. The invitation was sent, so it's now pending. Now I'm going to log in as a family member again. Family 3. And again, there you go. Now you have an invitation here. You accept the invitation, and now you can see that you have that senior linked to your profile, the medication status, upcoming appointments, and that's it. And we are using Google services. We are using Firebase to send a notification in real time. So those screens are the ones that I had implemented.
Hello, my name is Jezro Calivoso, and I added some functionality to the family member screen, where a senior can view all of the family members or add a new family member as well as delete existing family members. So in these lines, it'll display this view which shows that no family members have been added, and this will be shown if the senior does not have any family members added yet. Otherwise, if they do, it will show a list of all the family members, showing the family member's name, the relationship to that family member, and the phone number. And these lines allow functionality to allow the senior to delete a family member. This view allows the seniors to create or add a new family member by typing in their name, their relationship, and their phone number. And with a click of a button, they're able to add that family member to the database, as well as send an invitation to them if they already have the app as well. I have also added some extra functionality in the senior account screen to allow seniors to modify their home address, which allows them to type in their street name and number, any unit number if they have any, and their postal code. When they click the save button, all of that information will be saved into the database, and it'll show a update message at the bottom. The address information can also be shown in the profile screen once they have it set, and it'll be displayed.
So this is our project. Some considerations that we have is that as a group we did a great teamwork. Everyone helped a lot and made everything. So some challenges that we faced, I can say that was to polish all the screens and make sure that they were similar to the mockups, and for sure the home screen functionality implementation, because this screen specifically have a lot of features from other screens. And this one was the last screen to be done as well. Then, yeah, we also liked how each deliverable was asking first, like the proposal, then mockups, then screen by screen implementation. I believe it helped the group to have a great application development and also a great learning.